Zepbound, the latest FDA-approved breakthrough in weight loss treatments.
A new weight loss drug just gained approval from the FDA.
New drug to fight obesity.
Zepbound, made by Eli Lilly, potentially more effective for losing weight than any other drug on the market, including the Wegovy and diabetes drug Ozempic.
What's very exciting is
whether you're considering starting Zepbound or are already on your weight loss journey with it, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Now, let's start with our Zepbound injection guide. Zepbound injections for weight loss. Zepbound, known in the medical world as tirzepatide, received FDA approval in November 2023. Have you already watched our previous video about what Zepbound is? It's quite interesting. You can click on the video up here if you missed it. It's quickly gaining popularity due to its effective dual-action mechanism. Unlike other weight loss treatments, Zepbound targets both GIP and GLP-1 receptors, reducing appetite and boosting metabolism, leading to significant weight loss. If you already know 𝗪𝗛𝗥𝗟𝗗𝗪, the type 2 diabetes injection that also helps you lose weight, well, it's the same drug inside Zepbound, tirzepatide. But this time, it was tested and approved for weight loss only. Who can take Zepbound? Zepbound is officially approved for adults battling obesity or being overweight with associated health issues such as diabetes or high blood pressure. It's important to note that Zepbound is not a cosmetic solution. It's a medical treatment for those who need significant weight reduction for health reasons. And yes, it's strictly for adult use only. Administering Zepbound. The administration of Zepbound is very easy but must be done correctly. It involves a weekly subcutaneous injection using a pre-filled single-use injector pen. The available dosages vary, and your doctor will decide the best starting point and adjustment plan for you. Step-by-step Zepbound injection guide. Feeling anxious about self-injecting? Don't worry. Our step-by-step guide will help you feel more confident. Remember, this is an additional resource to your doctor's advice and the manufacturer's guidelines. It is not meant to substitute it. Step 1. Select your injection site. You can inject Zepbound into the fatty tissue under your skin, such as in the abdomen, thigh, upper arm, or buttocks. Ideally, make sure to rotate the injection site weekly to prevent skin issues. Step 2. Prepare for injection. Before injecting, let your Zepbound pen warm to room temperature for a few minutes. It can help decrease discomfort during the injection, as injecting cold medicine from the fridge is often found to be more painful. Meanwhile, take this time to inspect the pen for any damage, ensure the medicine is clear, and check the expiration date. And don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly. A quick reminder for our Zepbound users, keeping your injections at the right temperature is crucial for your treatment's effectiveness. Our For All Family travel coolers are ideal for this purpose, so don't forget to get yours at forallfamily.com. Step 3. Inject Zepbound. Before proceeding to the next steps, make sure your Zepbound pen is locked. Then start by taking off the grey base cap from the pen. Position the pen at your injection site so that the clear base is flat against your skin. When you're ready to inject, unlock the pen by turning the lock ring to its green and open position. Then, press and hold the purple injection button and slowly count to 10. You must hear 2 clicks. The first one is when the injection starts, and the second one is when it's completed. Step 4. After the injection. Once the injection has been completed, you can gently lift the pen off your skin. If there's a small amount of bleeding, apply gentle pressure with a clean cotton ball. Step 5. Disposal of used Zepbound pens. Dispose of used Zepbound pens in an appropriate sharps disposal container. These should never be thrown in the household trash for safety reasons. FAQs and troubleshooting. Alright, now let's be real. Life's not always a smooth ride, and neither is using a new medical device like the Zepbound pen. So in the spirit of tackling those moments head on, let's dive into some troubleshooting tips for when things don't exactly go as the manual says. Air bubbles in the pen. Small air bubbles are generally harmless and won't affect the dosage. If there are many, gently tap the pen to encourage the bubbles to rise to the top. Cold injections. If you don't have time to let the pen reach room temperature before the injection, cold Zepbound is still safe. But never attempt to heat the pen using external sources, as this could ruin the medicine inside. Storage mishaps. Remember that Zepbound pens must be stored refrigerated. When refrigeration isn't possible, they can stay at room temperature for up to 21 days, but they should never, ever be exposed to temperatures above 86 degrees Fahrenheit, even briefly. If your pens have not been stored properly, it's safer not to use them. You're now equipped with the essential knowledge to use Zepbound effectively, but if you have any concerns or questions, don't hesitate to leave us a comment or watch our other videos on Zepbound. Thank you for watching. Visit our website to get your travel cooler, real lifesavers when traveling with your injections. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more updates. Stay tuned for our next video.